Hi my friends, my name is Hannah. I have been creating video for various platforms over 10 years, including documentaries, entertainment programs, and business content. Today we are going to focus creating short engaging video and we'll keep it super simple. Welcome! In this series, I'll teach you how to shoot and edit videos step by step using just your phone and CapCut. Whether you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, these tutorials will help you turn simple clips into professional looking videos that grab attention. I have an iPhone and there are my settings. If your phone has similar settings, do the same. Go to camera, choose record video 1080p HD or 4K at 30 frames per second. Formats most compatible. Your slow-mo settings going to be 1080p HD at 120 frames per second. If you have a different model of phone, you can match the same values or just don't worry. This is just a recommendation. Before going out to shoot, check if your phone is charged and if there's space in memory. It's a quite a simple step but very important. The first lesson, I show you how to film cat. Today we are going to film a cat, but you don't always know what video you need. So, today I'll show you a few examples of ways to shoot and things to avoid, do and don't. Let's see if we can create a cute video of cat that we want to share with everyone. First 0.5 ultra-wide lens. Now I switch to slow-mo wide lens. Look how graceful the cat looks. I can't wait to edit this video. The next largest frame I shoot on a phone and Samsung. You can see that it makes no difference which phone to shoot on. The main thing is to choose the frame size and shooting angle. Ultra-wide lens. Wide lens slow-mo. Second zoom level slow-mo. Now let's talk about common mistakes. No clear subject. Unclear background. One cat is not visible. Camera is shaking. Subject is out of frame. No focus. Frame is shaking. Uninteresting. Action in frame. Be careful when choosing video for editing. It's time to download CapCut to your phone. If you use another editing program, open it and upload the video. In my tutorials, I use CapCut. It consists of window, timeline, and a toolbar. First, I trim each fragment of the video, leaving only the interesting parts. Click on the video and in the toolbar, select Split and click the delete icon. Now do this with each fragment of the video. Select, cut, select, delete. Second, I choose a video to start with. I like this clip, it's unusual. I press my finger and drag it to the beginning of the timeline. Then the shot where the cat is walking, and then the top view. The next one is a game and the cat's playful eyes are close up. I apply slow motion and crop the frame. I press plus and add another fragment of the end of the video. I cut the last frame and make part of the video faster. I leave the other part slow, since this fragment was filmed in slow-mo. I press audio. From the presented music, I choose the most suitable one. Press plus and add it to the timeline. I move to the beginning holding the audio track and now watch the video again. I cut the first frame and speed it up to the rhythm of the music. Make the next one shorter and so on until the end. I cut the music at the end and mixed by pressing the fade button. Fifth, I press the filter and choose the appropriate one from the options presented. Now my video looks brighter. You can choose another filter. My recommendation is not to use 100%. Always reduce the saturation of the filter, 20 to 60%, for example. Let's see what we got.